This IBC, I'm chairing 3 sessions, and you could say they are rather like the catchphrase that's going round, more 4K, less 3D. And one of them is teamed very much to the other. So first of all, I'll start with one that I'm doing on 3D, and that one is being done with Spencer Stevens from Sony Pictures Technologies and with Matthew Smith from London, and that will look very much at how we can persuade broadcasters to start commissioning drama and comedy 3D programs rather than relying on documentaries and things like that. And what that will show is a number of clips from trial programs done by American well-known program names, but these are only trials, they're not the real McCoy. We will talk to, via the screen, some of the people that worked on a low-cut movie, an indie movie, and we probably, from the UK, will have a much closer look at how drama really is the holy grail over here, and it's a bit closer to reality than it is in the States. Although Steve Schleyer of 3Reality told me that he's very close to getting 3 quite big American programs to shoot on 3D. The other 2 sessions are linked very much in the sense that the first one on the Sunday is about hyper-reality and how digital cameras are persuading cinematographers to think differently about production design, think differently about lighting, how these cameras are impacting on workflow. And the main speaker there is Stephen Poster, ASC. But the beautiful thing about that session is we have got a French cinematographer and a Dutch cinematographer to put the European viewpoint. Philippe Ross from France is an up-and-coming talent, and Lennart Hillage from Holland. The great thing about Lennart is he just shot a 3D movie using the red Alexas on a rig, so he will have some very live and original comments to make. We then go to the practical proving of what those guys say in a session called "Does Digital Imaging Now Hold All the Aces Over Film?" Now this one is about peer organisation collaboration between the Program Producers Guild of America, the American Society of Cinematographers and the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. They've got together to produce ICAS, which is a series of camera tests, and supporting those camera tests are the top digital cameras. And what you will see are the results of sharpness tests, light performance tests, exposure tests, shadow detail, color detail, skin tones, compression and other artifacts, everything you would worry about. And the beautiful thing about these camera tests is that they shot 2 mini films, one night, one day, using one night stock, one day stock. They used the film up to 4K, brought it down to 4K to use it reference in every instance with the digital cameras. So what we will have is how and why you should shoot 3D, and how people are getting the best of digital cameras, and is film dead?